This is an update on PSA public storage, and I mentioned in my previous video how bearish I was near term as far as the technicals looked, and again, as bullish as public storage has been, consolidating, blasted to the upside again. All we did was put in larger negative and bearish divergences. There's nothing in the charts that suggests to go long and continue this trend. And really what's significant is on Thursday we put in a nice bearish engulfing pattern here, which really was the largest candle engulfing pattern than all of the previous last week's candles. So that was a pretty bearish pretty bearish development. And really what we've now is Friday we snapped it. I mean, top to bottom here you're talking about a solid close of a 3% drop. That's as bearish as you can get. That is a sell signal. Again, like I say, you want to see a nice solid red candle close, and we got it. That's it right there. And again, huge near term negative and bearish divergences that have continued to construct since January at the beginning of the year, and it snapped. This is a snap, and we've got I believe a much longer way to go here. Beautiful crossovers here on the MACD and oscillator, sort of like a drop and an anchor drop between that SMA line and the exponential moving average. So we'll see. Moving averages, convergences are diverging, and we'll see what happens as far as retouch of that zero line. Here's that primary trend line that I talked about. It's going back since the beginning of January 2021. And again, we could have a bullish counter trend rally, but I suspect it to be short-lived, and a retest of that 373.07 coinciding with that primary trend line would ought to really be the first of many targets in my opinion. You know, you're still talking a good 6.7% from where we are today, and a crack below that would issue a secondary sell signal, and that secondary sell signal I believe will be hit with many stops, and I would suspect a move down to that 351.98 for a 12.2% drop if we get it, which will coincide with that 200-day moving average most likely, and we'll see how it goes from there. But take it for what it is now: symmetrical triangle, divergent high, negative and bearish divergences that have constructed and developed on all three indicators, and a snap of that primary trend line is now issued a sell signal. And we'll see if we get a run for the exits on Monday, or if we get a small counter trend rally, and there's a chance we just waterfall through and go to retest that primary trend line. So we'll see what happens. Any more significant developments or occur, I'll keep you updated.